para sa nagdiriwang ng kanilang kaarawan. Happy birthday, ang bati ko, ang bati namin sa iyo. Nawa ay lumigaya ka. At abutin mo pa sana ang maraming kaarawan. Sino pang may birthday dyan? At aking ding hahandugan. Happy birthday.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you, ganda mine. More birthday to come. Sana hindi ka magbago. Salamat sa lahat ng tulong mo sa akin at sa amin, sa team Buang. More birthday to come. And happy Halloween, ganda mine. Thank you. And Amping Kadira. Ngam.
Team Kabuang, happy birthday go Captain Mine and Buang Mayang. God bless you and more birthdays to come. Thank you.
Happy birthday, baby mine. Enjoy ka lang lagi. Wish ko is matupad yung mga wish nila para sa iyo. And syempre, good health always. And be happy, be strong always. Yun, maging masaya lang tayo lagi. Kahit may mga kanya-kanya tayong mga problema, mga pinagdaanan, i-pray lang natin yan. I know, masosolve din lahat. And yun, be strong always. Dito lang ako lagi para sa'yo. And yun, we always love you, baby mine. Happy birthday. And thank you sa friendship. Thank you for everything. Thank you for the trust. Ayan, love you.
Isa ko birthday mo raw.
Greetings!
Happy birthday.
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 Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagse-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday ha, at you make sure na mag-ingat ka, sundin yung payo sa'yo ng iyong mga magulang, you stay safe, wash your hands lagi.
I would like to greet you a happy birthday and I wish you the best of everything. Sorry I'm not the speaker straight, but I'm just adjusting. What's it in brains, huh? What do you want? I will give you this and everything. This is I'm so rich, my nigga. Happy birthday. Live what you want and want what you live. Thank you. I love you, brother. I love you. And I know you love me. Peace out, man.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Boss May. Wish ko sa'yo is more buwang pa. Yun. Enjoy enjoy your day, and wish ko para sa iyo is more birthday to celebrate. And thank you also sa friendship, and be always happy. Yun. And thank you sa lahat. Happy birthday, Boss May.
Para sa nagdiriwang ng kanilang kaarawan, happy birthday. Ang bati ko, ang bati namin sa iyo. Nawa ay lumigaya ka. At abutin mo pa sana ang maraming kaarawan. Sino pang may birthday dyan? At aking ding hahandugan. Happy birthday.